I can stop it. Our love ain't fine, and I am burning. There is no line if you are far.
Hold up.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I really hope that everybody is good and great. If you are new here, then hi, I am Shivani Duggal and I post videos related to fun challenges, makeup and lifestyle vlogs. So if you are interested in any of that kind of video, then please subscribe to my channel and give me a virtual hug. Come here, come here. I need a virtual hug from you all. We crossed 600 subscribers last night, okay, and I'm super happy. We are a family of 600 happy faces now, and I'm really grateful to each one of you. Isn't that great? Oh my god, I'm so happy, and I just wanted to film this video and give you guys a virtual hug because I cannot meet you like in person. So yeah, that's why I just wanted to give you all my virtual love. So with that happy note, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon if you are new here, and or if you haven't subscribed yet. So please subscribe kar lo because bomb content is coming in future. So please subscribe to my channel. And I just realized that my notebook was behind me. I'm so sorry for that, but this notebook is really important because I have written everything that I need to tell you guys in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it aside. And with that happy note, I think we should start with the video. Today's shout out goes to Shivangi and Sneha. Thank you so much for commenting under my video, and I love you so much. And if you also want a shout out in my next video, then you just need to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below and let me know that you did both the things, and that's how you'll get a shout out in my next video. So talking about today's video, I'm going to share what I ate for snacks in a week with you all. Disclaimer, don't expect a lot of healthy things in this video because past week was literally like a roller coaster for me because I was going through a lot of emotions. So yeah, we'll not get into that, but just a disclaimer that you will get to see healthy and unhealthy both things in this video. So keep on watching, and yeah, I hope that you will like this video. On Monday, I had chana chaat. Oh my god, I cannot explain you how much I love this chaat. You can call it a healthy chaat, you can call it a salad, or whatever you want to call it. But I have to call it chana chaat because usse ek wo chatpata feel aata hai sunte hi. So yeah, I made chana chaat for Monday, and it is super easy to make. You just need to add some chopped onions, tomato. If you have cucumber, you can add that also, but मेरे पास घर पे था नहीं, so मैंने सिर्फ टमाटर और प्याज डाला था. So yeah, you can add green chili, you can add anything you want, okay, literally anything that you like you can add in. And then you need some boiled chanas. You can add white chana, you can add black chana, any chana. I like black chana more, so मैंने boiled chana लिया था. And also squeeze some good amount of lemon in that because you need to make it chatpata. So yeah, that is my first snack for you guys. And believe me, अगर आपने अब तक try नहीं किया है तो please try करो अभी के अभी because it is delicious. Now comes Tuesday, and for Tuesday I had bread roll. Okay, this is not at all healthy, but okay, it's okay. I love eating bread rolls. It is one of my favorite snacks. I love it, and I remember my nani used to make it for me and I used to love it. So yeah, I made these rolls after a really long time and it came out to be delicious. And again, it is very easy to make it. So you just need some boiled potatoes, and you need to make a mixture of boiled potatoes, onions and green chilies. Whatever you like, you can add that in this potato filling. Then you need to have bread, and you can go as healthy as you want when it comes to bread. आप multigrain bread ले सकते हो, brown bread, but मैंने white bread लिया था because घर पे वही थी. So आपको क्या करना है? You just need to take a bread और पानी में आपको dip करना है bread को, and you just need to squeeze all the water out of bread. Now just put a good amount of आलू filling in your bread and उसको roll कर लो जैसे मैं दिखा रही हूँ, and उसको फिर fry कर लो, and that's how you can make your bread roll, and it is delicious. Please try it अगर आप कोई डाइट नहीं कर रहे तो, क्योंकि मैंने चाहती है आप डाइट कर रहे हो तो मैं आपको ये सब खिलाऊं, but okay. Give it a try, it is very good. Then comes Wednesday, and on Wednesday I had oats smoothie because bread roll खाया था तो अगले दिन guilt आ रहा था कि अरे यार क्यों खा लिया. So अगले दिन मैंने पी थी oat smoothie, and again it is very easy and simple to make. You just need oats, milk, peanut butter, flaxseed if you have, and then you can add walnut to it and just grind it. It is that simple. Okay, just drink it and it is super yummy and healthy. Also, I added a little bit of cocoa powder to make it a little chocolatey. And if you feel that your smoothie is not too sweet, then you can add honey in it. It is totally up to you. I was okay without sugar, so yeah, I made my smoothie like that. Okay, next come Thursday, and on Thursday I had a sandwich. So this sandwich is the easiest sandwich to make. Oh my god, hands down it is the easiest recipe. So what you have to do is you just need to take any sabji that is made at your place. कुछ भी सब्जी आपके घर पे रखी हुई है आप वो ले लो, and then just take bread, और जिस तरह से bread में सैंडविच में फिलिंग करते हैं हमें वही सब्जी को हम फिल कर लेंगे. You just need to mash your सब्जी जो भी बनी हुई है. So मेरे घर पे आलू गोभी बनी थी तो मैंने वो अच्छे से मैश कर ली थी and वही मैंने bread में भर ली थी. And oh my god, it is amazing, delicious. You can have it with ketchup or any sauce that you like, and it is amazing. Next up comes Friday. Okay, so Friday it was like a chill day और मुझे इतना मन कर रहा था ना कुरकुरे खाने का. So मेरे को कुरकुरे लॉकडाउन में एक बार भी नहीं मिले, and literally वो पहली दिन था जब मेरे पापा को कुरकुरे मिल गए थे शॉप पे तो वो ले आए थे. And I made कुरकुरे चाट क्योंकि वो फ्राइडे वाइब्स आ रही थी थोड़ी. अब बाहर तो नहीं जा सकते बट फ्राइडे नाइट को हमने मतलब फ्राइडे इवनिंग हमने बनाया था कुरकुरे चाट. And again it is easiest recipe. You just need kurkure, you need chopped onions, tomato, and that's it. You just need all this ingredient and obviously some lemon, because lemon is too good यार. वो कुछ भी चटपटा बना देता है. And oh my god, okay, so you just need all these things and it is an amazing snacking option. So please try it अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो. Next up comes Saturday, and Saturday again एक दिन healthy एक दिन unhealthy, यही चलता है मेरी लाइफ में. So Saturday को हमने खाया था सूजी ओट्स चीला. It is amazing. अगर आप बेसन चीला खा के बोर हो चुके हो ना तो आपको सूजी और ओट्स का चीला डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना चाहिए. एंड मेरे बाल इधर क्यों हो रहे हैं? हाँ, तो आपको वो डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना चाहिए. इट इज इजी टू मेक एंड काफी डिलिशियस होता है. सो आपको सिर्फ सूजी चाहिए एंड ओट्स चाहिए. आप उसे ग्राइंड कर लेना ओट्स को. ओट्स पाउडर चाहिए. इफ यू हैव दही आप दही डाल सकते हो. इफ यू हैव वाटर यू कैन हैव ओनली वाटर. यू जस्ट नीड टू मेक अ बैटर एंड उसमें आप जो भी आपको वेजिटेबल्स डालनी है आप चॉप्ड वेजिटेबल्स डाल सकते हो. ऑल्सो आई लव टू पुट अ राई का तड़का. सो मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं ऑयल में पहले राई को अलग से कर लेती हूँ सॉटे, एंड फिर उस राई के तड़के को मैं इस बैटर में डाल देती हूँ और वो इतना यम लगता है ना. इट इज अमेजिंग. मैंने इस वीडियो में अमेजिंग, डिलिशियस, यम कितना बोला है ना, आई नो, बट ओके, अभी है इतना टेस्टी तो क्या करें. ओके, तो ये सूजी चीला बहुत ही यम्मी बनता है. देन कम संडे, एंड संडे को एक्चुअली मैंने फ्रूट्स खाए थे. सुपर हेल्दी, आई नो. सो आई हैड पपाया, जामुन एंड मैंगो. ये तीनों का मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा क्वांटिटी में मिक्सचर एक फ्रूट चाट बना लिया था. And yeah, that was my snack on Sunday. That's it for the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I mean, I love watching these kinds of video where people share what they ate for a week, like snacks, breakfast, lunch options. So yeah, I like it because I think I'm too much into food. It is clearly visible. But okay. So if you like this video then please give this video a big thumbs up, because अगर आप इस वीडियो को लाइक दोगे तो YouTube को लगेगा ये वीडियो अच्छी है, जो कि है आई गेस. आई मीन ओके, तो YouTube आगे और प्रमोट करेगा इस वीडियो को. सो प्लीज गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग थम्स अप एंड कमेंट डाउन बिलो कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा स्नैक्स कौन सा लगा और आपको कौन सा स्नैक पसंद है. पर्सनली आप कौन सा स्नैक खाते हो, डेफिनेटली लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. एंड अगेन एक छोटा सा रिमाइंडर है, मतलब प्यार से दे रही हूँ, छोटा सा रिमाइंडर है कि सब्सक्राइब कर लो, ठीक है. Also, if you guys like this makeup look, then wait for Saturday, because this makeup look will go live on my channel on Saturday at 12 PM. So yeah, please come back for this makeup look, because I'm gonna teach you how to do this makeup look. This is super easy and very beginner friendly. So yeah, wait for that video. And now I will meet you next time with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.